Welcome everybody to another episode of the 2 Minute Drill with yours truly, no risk, no premium. Guys, what is up? What is happening? Well, after the Ripper Magoo, how are you? If you watch the Thursday night 2 Minute Drill, we had a Ripper Magoo. How the fuck are you? All the way up here to 390. Now, what did we say to expect on the sermon yesterday? Definitely a range day. That's what we had, guys. If you just look, I mean, we literally just stayed between really it was what, 388 to 391, 390. We just stayed in this range all day long, right? And what we're kind of forming here is what I see is after a rip up and a what you call consolidation leg or kind of a bull flag, excuse me. So are we setting up here for the next leg? It is very possible. I would not mind to see this level hold overnight here. We can see futures are down only about 10 points, which is 78.93 right now, but it does not matter until the morning. We will see where we open up. But if we are going to get a little bit further of a pullback before any sort of a continuation higher, I would love to see, let me just zoom out here for you guys real quick. I would love to see possibly a back test of 385 to 383. Now, remember, the 383.90 was the breakout, right, to the gap fill. I would not mind to see a back test there and then a leg higher. All right, so I'd probably be looking to take a stab long off of 385 or 383 area. Below that, I'm pretty sure we go down to fill and touch the beginning of this gap that we had from the gap up on Thursday. And if that wants to fill, we come down here to 378. Underneath 378, not good for bulls, guys. We'll definitely probably melt down to like 371, 370 area from there. Okay, so just be wary of that. Now, I think my bias, I guess I'd tell you, is I think we get down here to 385, 384 area, and I'd be looking to take a stab long. 380, you could see a possible bounce off of as well. You could try along there as well. I'm not in love with that level. I wouldn't want to get that low, but we'll see, right? We'll see. We'll have to just make a decision at that level, see how the market is reacting. Okay. But guys, still the same play is in play here. I mean, everybody in the mama staring at what, 395 to 401 gap fill. Everyone's screaming bear market rally. I mean, it looks like we want to head higher. The fact that we based all day, it did not give a lot back is great. You know, we'll have to see what the overnight hours do, which will be telling. So guys, levels on the way up, 393. Okay, the 20 SMA is right here. Get through 393. We're definitely going to go see the beginning of this box right here, which is 395, which is the start of the gap fill, which would be the next leg up, taking us up back to the 400 area, 401, call it 401.30-ish. The gap fill high, just keep it simple, man. 401. Get the 401 and you're in calls, probably just take some profits. Don't be greedy. Don't be a pig. Now, if we decide to sell off, underneath 384 would be 381 and some change where we opened on Friday. Look to see, hopefully we bounce or recover 383. That would give me a sign to go long there as well. If not, we definitely are going to sell down to 378, where that would be a huge decision. That is a bull's last ditch effort to have any sort of juice left in their rally. So we'll have to see, guys. You just need to know when you get to all your levels, all right, you have calls and puts on each side and you see how the market reacts. All right, see how the market reacts. So guys, upside, we got 390, 393, 395, 401, and then 403, 405 above that. If we really get froggy, underneath 385, 384, 381, 50-ish. Okay, start of the gap fill. Complete the gap fill, be about 378 and some change. All righty. Last ditch effort for bulls there. We could take a stab short underneath there if you want to get all the way back down to about 374 or 370. Okay. Take some notes here, though, on the daily. We have the 5 SMA is at 381. Let's see where that opens tomorrow. What if that gets up here to the 383 or 385 and we come down and kiss that and rock it up? Very, very, very possible. You know, when we get stretched away from an MA, we like to come back to it, right? All right, guys, that's all I got for you this evening. Get your homework done. Get your levels out, right? Be patient. We said today was a chop consolidation light. I didn't like any setups at all. If you traded less today, you probably did just fine. Okay. Tomorrow, look for some consolidation. And then maybe the end of the day will give us some inclination of where the market wants to head. All right, guys. Hope you're having a great evening. I'll see you bright and early in the pre-market. Peace.